Ever wondered how to turn your passion into an income stream? Welcome to the world of affiliate marketing, where you can do just that. In this second module of the ubiquitous One Group's affiliate marketing course, we're diving deep into the nuts and bolts of crafting a business plan tailored for this exciting niche. First things first, let's demystify affiliate marketing. It's a simple yet powerful concept where you promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. The potential income opportunities are vast and can be quite lucrative when done right. Now, onto the first major step, market research and niche selection. This is where you'll identify profitable niches that align with your interests and expertise. It's about finding that sweet spot where passion meets profit. Next, it's time to define your business objectives and strategies. A clear roadmap will guide your journey, helping you set measurable goals and develop strategies to achieve them. Having a robust online presence is essential in affiliate marketing. This leads us to the next point, building your affiliate marketing website. Choose a suitable domain name, select a user-friendly website builder, and design a website that's not just attractive, but also functional and filled with compelling content. The heart of your business lies in the affiliate products you choose to promote. Research thoroughly, select high-quality products, and develop a content marketing strategy that seamlessly integrates these products. Remember, effective SEO strategies are your best friend to drive organic traffic. Monetizing strategies come next. Explore various methods, diversify your income streams, and maximize revenue generation through conversion optimization techniques. But how do you know if your efforts are paying off? That's where tracking and analyzing performance comes into play. Implement tracking tools, analyze key metrics, and make data-driven decisions to optimize performance. In this digital age, leveraging social media and email marketing is a must. Build an email subscriber list, utilize effective strategies, and develop a strong online presence to reach and engage with your target audience. Once the foundation is strong, it's time to scale and grow your business. Identify opportunities, explore partnerships, and develop a long-term growth plan for sustained success. Last but not least, we'll introduce you to the best tools for operating an affiliate marketing business with no startup cost. Maximize the benefits of free analytic tools, SEO plugins, and email marketing software to run your business efficiently. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and skills to create and operate a successful affiliate marketing business. The world of affiliate marketing awaits you, and the possibilities are endless. So buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey.